Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 5th, and this is my market recap where we're going to look at gold on the 1 hour time frame for a quick recap. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community. Link is at the end of this video in the corner and in the description. If you'd like to join my membership, you'd get access to all the benefits down below and more for only $30 a month by joining my website at fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, gold definitely keeps pushing up. As I've been saying for weeks now, for at least 2 or 3 weeks now, when this thing has been going up, I've been saying if it continues to make higher highs, higher lows, then continue to look for longs. I was also saying the 123.6 could be an area of resistance. We never got an impulsive move down, never got a break of structure there, so I never would have taken a short at that area. Now my next area of resistance is the 138.2. If this makes another higher low and keeps pushing up, then definitely hold on to your longs and potentially look for more longs. If it decides to go down and break structure, I personally would still be looking for longs because to me it looks like a 1, 2, 3. So even if it does break structure, it's probably just going to be a crutch into the last series of higher highs, higher lows. Probably make like a wave forward and end up going up towards this, probably right around 2890, maybe even 3000 area to the next Fibonacci level for like a wave 5. So definitely continue to look for longs, break a structure, throw your Fibonacci on there, and look for bigger three-way pullbacks like a wave 4 and then a wave 5. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.